My name's James Oglesby. I'm a specialty carpenter in North Texas. We take real trees and real things and turn it into something beautiful. OCD Construction specializes in log home restoration. There's no two log homes that are exactly alike. There's all these challenges that come to it that I relish. I build really badass, cool stuff. I feel very blessed. It's a pretty awesome thing to do. You know, just to hold the saw up. We have a very good group of guys that work very well together. It's hard to find. Once you have that trust with people, it's important. We don't have a low man on the totem pole, but everybody just works together. Picking the right wood can be a challenge. We're looking for the way a branch bends or the way it turns to accent or actually even support something that we're doing on the house. It's a very organic process a lot of times with our creative stuff. Those types of situations breed opportunities for creativity and for advancement and for knowledge that you don't get in traditional cabinetry type of applications. That's what things I enjoy with wood. It's timeless, it's classic, it's a physical, tangible experience. I kind of do with wood what some people do with clay, or some people do with abstract art. Like it's subjective. If you don't have the details, what do you have? I love picking up a tool and shaping something and making something out of it. It's my happy place, because I'm building and I'm doing and I'm creating. I grew when I realized the better tools I had, the better kind of work I did. What you have means everything. There's a lot of really, really impressive and creative woodworkers. I've been able to bring some of this vision and artistic stuff out of people and give them opportunities. What we're doing is something that lasts. Solving problems for homeowners and doing good things for them and bringing things back to life, that's where it's at. The project we just finished, they built that to spend a lifetime with their family, and it went in disrepair, and they didn't use it anymore. And we gave back a generational home, place for them to make memories, to get married at, to have Thanksgivings at. That's awesome. What I do, you can physically see, you can touch. I did that. That is incredibly rewarding and incredibly special.